Have you ever imagined you could have a facelift without surgery? Let me tell you about it. I am Dr. Rasya Dixit. I am a dermatologist in Bangalore from the last 18 years. And today I am talking to you about a technology called HIFU or High Intensity Focused Ultrasound. So what is this treatment all about? We all know the reality of aging, which is going to affect each one of us with the sagging or the loosening of the skin, blunting of the jawline, formation of the double chin and the laxity of the skin. And this is a technology which is a non-invasive technology called High Intensity Focused Ultrasound or HIFU in short. So let us understand how this HIFU works. HIFU is basically a focused ultrasound which is able to focus its ultrasound waves in different layers of the skin, from the epidermis, dermis, smas, which is the aponeurotic system of the face, and the fat layer, and it causes microthermal injuries in these zones, which causes a contraction of collagen and heating of the skin, which makes the skin more tighter, the laxity to disappear, and the fat also to be melted. So in this treatment, what is the procedure which is followed? After the consultation with the doctor will determine the degree of energy which has to be delivered in all the layers of the skin. So first, a numbing cream is applied on the skin, and after 40 minutes the numbing cream is removed, and then the procedure itself starts. There are different cartridges available, and each of these cartridges target different zones of the skin. Different depths means different treatments. For example, a patient with a more bulky lower face may need more of the treatment with a 4.5 depth cartridge than a patient with a thinner face. After the completion of the treatment itself is well tolerated and described as maybe uncomfortable by most patients. There is no needle, that means there are no bruises, there are no marks which are held after the treatment, and the whole treatment takes between 30 to 40 minutes. Post-treatment, a moisturizer and a sunscreen are applied, and people are welcome to go back to office because there is absolutely no evidence of the treatment having been done on the face. When are the results seen after HIFU? Though the results are visible immediately post-treatment with the neocollagenogenesis, with the result of reduction of fat, which happens over the next few weeks or months, there is a significant improvement which is seen 1 month to 3 months post-treatment, with improvements continuing up to a year. Treatments are usually repeated after 3 months in people who definitely need the treatment, like who have moderate to severe sagging, and in people who don't have so much sagging, they can repeat the treatment after 1 year. What are the things you have to understand about the treatment before going for this treatment? If somebody has very severe sagging and needs a surgical treatment, then HIFU may not be the ideal option for you, and the person who has to determine this is your dermatologist. So do speak to your dermatologist about this treatment before you get it done. Who is the ideal patient for this treatment? What are the ideal number of sessions for this treatment? An ideal patient for this treatment is somebody who is just starting to show sagging, who has the formation of double chin, blunting of the jawline, and maybe neck lines which are more visibly prominent. Usually in a patient who is less than 40 years of age, 1 session per year should be more than enough. But a person with more sagging, more heavier jowls may need 2 sessions every 3 months for significant improvement in the facial structure. Okay. The parts of the face which show significant improvement with HIFU treatment are the double chin, the jowls, the under eye area, and necklines and décolleté area. Though other areas can be treated as well, these are the areas which show significant improvement. As we understand, the sagging of the face or the facial treatments cannot be addressed by one technology alone, and you may need a combination of other treatments like PDO threads, like fillers and botulinum toxin to achieve what you need in a complete facial rejuvenation. The best person to advise this to you is your dermatologist, who is an expert on all these treatments. So always speak to your dermatologist for more advice on HIFU treatment and other facial rejuvenation treatments. We have tried to answer all the questions about non-surgical facial rejuvenation with HIFU, but if you have some more questions for us, feel free to leave them below in the comment section. I hope I have been clear on making you understand about this particular method of facial rejuvenation, and if you know somebody who needs this treatment, do share this video with them. Do like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.